And Tam is the fucking man. He's the man. He's gonna be CEO of a Fortune 500 company in 9 years. That's all I'll give him, 9 years.
What up? It's your boy Tam Pham.
We made it to New York.
We made it to New York.
We're about to go eat some cookies tomorrow. It's 3 a.m. here. We just finished watching this Comedy Cellar show, doing our morning workouts. 25 burpees. Let's do this.
Let's go.
Burpees. Finish strong, Kevin.
24.
Finish strong. Finish strong.
25.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Dude. Good job. Good boy, Kevin.
Excited. Let's eat right here.
What is that?
I think it's pastrami.
Pastrami? What do we order?
We got pastrami and we got brisket. And grandma's gravy.
Shiv, try to take a solo pic.
I am such a tourist. You are?
In New York. New York, man. Yeah. So Kung Fu tea, 6 years ago, was the best milk tea I've ever had. And now I'm gonna try to see if it lives up to the hype. It lives up. It lives up.
Yeah!
The best milk tea I've ever had.
You heard it here first.
Kung Fu tea. The boba, chewy, taste distinct. Dude, kungfutea.com. No? What's up, Josie?
Oh wait, here.
What's up, Jacob?
What up, man?
Where are we right now?
We are at the New York City Cookie Off. Is that what is it called? The Cookie Off or
Yeah.
a Cookie Challenge or?
Cookie chip off.
Yeah, Cookie Chip Off. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, look at all these cookies.
There were so many cookies and they were all so tasty. Oh my gosh, banana pudding, chocolate chip, sea salt, Nutella flavored. Oh my gosh, so many cookies.
What's up, man?
Cheers to the cookie.
What's your name and where you're from?
Alan from Jersey.
And how do you know, what brings you here besides the cookies?
That's the only thing that brings me here, cookies.
How long have we been friends for but never met in person?
Oh, probably a year and a half or something.
What are you excited about right now, man?
I'm excited for cookies. I'm from Montreal. I'm not actually from there, but I live there. I'm excited for all the cool people. The people, man. The people and the cookies.
I'm Catherine from That's So Cool.
Okay.
I don't know if you can hear me.
You can hear? How many cookies have you ate so far?
Like 10.
And what was your favorite?
The chocolate chip one.
Chocolate chip? Oh, which one? Was it like the thicker one?
The sea salt. No,
Sea
no,
salt.
the thinner one was the sea salt.
The sea salt. Alright, cool. Want to say anything else to some folks?
Time's awesome.
I met so many people that I respected and admired and followed and worked online. I met Peter Nguyen, who taught me everything I had to know about dressing well as a man. I met Seth Godin, Mark Manson. I met a bunch of so many cool folks at this event. It was insane, absolutely insane the amount of people that Sol Orwell, this guy right here, was able to bring together. What a master connector. Sol Orwell, check him out if you haven't already.
Dude, what are we doing right now, man?
We're eating Crave food apparently here in somewhere in park in New York.
Alright, cool.
It's very cool.
What time is it right now, y'all?
Like a midnight.
Yeah, I think it's around midnight now.
Walking right now, currently New York, 9th Street, 2nd Avenue. Got to meet Ramit Sethi and Stephanie Lee, a good friend, or a friend that I met yesterday at the Cookie Chip Off event for coffee. It is super early in the morning and I'm really pumped to be spending days.
Ended up having a 1-hour coffee meeting with Ramit and Stephanie. Ramit is one of my biggest virtual mentors. His Big Wins Manifesto, Briefcase Technique, Introduction to Invisible Scripts, and so much more has really impacted my life. So it's really great to meet him in person and talk with him. Then right after that, my buddy Shyam and we got brunch, some bottomless mimosas. It was really great to catch up with him.
Hey, this is Steve Roller from the Copywriter Cafe.
Hey, was your first impression? We met on the internet.
Yes.
Was your impression of me act like what you expected, or how was it different? How was that?
Actually, it was pretty much spot on, and this is funny, Tim. Almost every time I meet a lot of people that I first meet on Facebook or online, and then eventually when I meet somebody in person, almost every time people are almost exactly what I anticipated. So yes,
Oh, wow.
you're exactly what I thought as far as just the way you think and the way you talk, and no, this has been great. So
awesome.
good to finally meet you, man.
Well, good to meet you too. Thank you for giving me your book.
Yeah.
What is it called?
The Freelancer Manifesto. Yeah.
Freelancer Manifesto by Steve Roller.
Peace.
And we're hungry.
And we're gonna go eat some homemade pho.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Head out.
Alright, cool. You guys are naturals.
Where for what?
For vlogging.
Oh, can I tell you how I know you?
Go for it.
I've known Tam since I was in preschool.
Did you learn this from your mom, or how'd you learn how to make fun?
Yeah, my mom taught me the fake way to make it.
Fake way to make it.
Yeah, you have to buy like this
The base, right?
Yeah, the base.
Yeah.
But my mom does it with herbs. So like I was like, hey mom, like what herbs do you buy and stuff? She's like, no, you can't do it. Just buy this. And I was like, okay. Means one of you guys are lying.
Why can't you two be the ones that are lying?
Because I know I'm blue.
What if I don't trust that you're blue?
Oh my god.
So
It's like it doesn't make.
I object. That's what I'm saying. I
You
object.
object. You can object. Whatever.
Hurry up, man. It's your move, 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 man. What you gonna do, brother? 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 Oh, wait, what you gonna do?
You already let go of it.
Oh, fuck. Alright, fine. I'll let you have it. Alright. I can't video record it at the same time. Yo, back home after from New York. All my homies are here in the house, bamboo house. Let me get in this.
Why are you guys dancing like this in the club?
And we just finished playing Code Names. It's very good to be back home and a fun time in New York. So, thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.
Peace.